Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to take the screenshot in this device. If you are new in this channel, please do subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more tech videos. So friends, let's get started. Actually, there is four methods to take a screenshot in this device. The first method to take a screenshot, tap on volume down button and the lock button at the same time. You can see the screenshot is captured. This is the first method to take a screenshot. Just tap on volume down and the lock button at the same time. You can see the screenshot is captured. This is the first method to take a screenshot. Now let's move to the second method. Using your palm, you can take a screenshot. Just swipe right or left using your palm. I will show you. Using your palm, you can take a screenshot. To enable this type of screenshot, for this, go to settings, then scroll down, advanced features, tap on advanced features, tap on motions and gestures, then you need to turn on this option, palm swipe to capture. Then only you can take this type of screenshot. Just swipe right or left on the screen using your palm. This is the second method to take a screenshot. Now let's move to the third method, the assistant menu. To turn on the assistant menu, go to settings, then scroll down, tap on accessibility, then tap on interaction and dexterity, then turn on this option. You can see this is the assistant menu. Just tap on it. So here you can see the option to take a screenshot. Just tap on the screenshot. You can see simply the screenshot is captured. This is the third method to take a screenshot for using the assistant menu. Tap on it, then tap on a screenshot. You can see simply the screenshot is captured. So the last and the fourth method to take a screenshot using the accessibility menu. You can see at the bottom right side, this is the accessibility menu. If we tap on it, here you can see the option to take a screenshot. Tap on this option, you can see the screenshot is captured. You can see that accessibility menu is here. Just tap on it, screenshot is captured. To enable this accessibility menu, go to settings, scroll down, tap on accessibility, then tap on installed services. Then we need to turn on this option, accessibility menu. Then only we can take this as a screenshot using the accessibility menu. So in these four ways you can take a screenshot using in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like this one, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more updates. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.